Second time I went, I sold 6 pecks of squash, 2 pecks of cucumbers, 1 peck of zucchini, and 2 10-pound flats of tomatoes.
This gon' be my year, this my year, this gon' be my year, this gon' be my year, this my year, this gon' be my year, this gon' be my year, my year, my year.
So a quick little update here, guys. The pumpkins are starting to grow bigger. The pumpkin plants, so I can take up this red string now. Look at the size difference between this one and this one. This zucchini is humongous. These two are. It's humongous. My 2 pea plants. So it's been raining a good amount the past week. So it wasn't that these guys didn't get enough water. I think it was they got too much water and drowned because it was raining and storming a lot recently. And last night I noticed one of my plants here, I'm pretty sure it was this one, my tomato plant. It was bending over and breaking at the back somewhat. So I decided to just get out all my stakes. So I got out 12 metal stakes here. And I staked all these. So today is June 26th and I've got a few updates to show you guys. So in here you can see that my zucchinis are already growing pretty big. Look at this one. That one's pretty big already. Now over here my sunflowers, as you can see, looks like some deer ate the tops of my sunflowers. They ate some at the beginning of my rows. Then they ate a few at the end, but I still got most of them. And then my squash at the end of this row has been getting bigger. Just got done watering the whole garden. You can see the pumpkins are getting bigger. Only thing is, I remember planting like 15 or 16 different pumpkin seeds, and I can only count 8 pumpkin plants. So I don't know what happened to the other 7 or 8 seeds. I just got some zucchinis picked here, about 6 or 7. Yo guys, welcome back to the Joel TV. Welcome back to another episode of Growing a Vegetable Garden in 2021. Right now I want to show you basically what the garden's looking like, how big all my plants are getting. And the past couple weeks here, I have been having some produce. I've had probably at least 60 some zucchini. I just picked cucumbers for the first time last night. Picked like 17 cucumbers, I believe. And I've probably picked 30 some squash. And this is how big the tomato plants are getting. Alright guys, so I'm done with my garden. It didn't produce as much as I hoped at the beginning of the growing season. The majority of my pumpkins, their growth was stunted, and they just were busted and all rotten because of the amounts of rain the past 1 to 2 weeks. All that rain, I mean, I couldn't even walk in the garden. I would sink and get stuck. That's how bad it got. I mean, I put in a really nice garden, and I guess I could say I tried my best. And I did sell some stuff to some local produce auction here in Ohio. And I'll pop the pictures up on the screen. I don't think I got a picture of my first time I went, but I'm going to go get the receipts. Now, I only sold stuff to this produce auction 3 times, I believe. I did sell half dozen cucumbers to Brian's place in Zanesville, Ohio, to Carol. And that was nice that she bought something from me. She uses the cucumbers there in the restaurant there, and they host events there. But before I tell you guys what all I sold at the produce auction the 3 times I went down, I do want to tell you I called so many people, like probably 50 people in a few days span. Grocery stores, other markets where they don't actually grow anything, they just buy it for cheaper and resell it, and they have their profit margin there. But I'd ask people and they said, oh, we have enough. And then, well, specifically zucchini is really weird because me personally, I love fried zucchini. It's good. There's a lot of people that just don't like zucchini or don't know about it. They've never tried it. Because I asked someone, like, what do you usually buy a bushel of zucchini for? And he said $1.50. Like, people's just giving stuff away. So this is what I sold to the produce auction the first time I went. 4 half bushels of zucchini, 2 half bushels of squash, 2 extra peck of squash, and 1 peck of cucumbers. The second time I went, I sold 6 pecks of squash, 2 pecks of cucumbers, 1 peck of zucchini, and 2 10-pound flats of tomatoes. And then the third time I went, I sold 2 10-pound flats of tomatoes, a half peck of red bell peppers, 2 quarts of jalapenos, 5 sugar baby watermelons, 5 Charleston gray watermelons, 6 pumpkins, and a peck of yellow squash. Right there is a cool picture of my morning glories. So I guess that's pretty much it for this Growing a Garden in 2021 series. I had some other pieces to this series I thought about filming, but I decided not to. So I believe this series was 5 or 6 episodes long, which is still decent. It's something extra I've been working on, side project. And I appreciate you guys for watching this series, but I'm waiting to release all these episodes till probably October or November after the harvest season, because I wanted all these videos to come out like within a 1 to 2 week span, but what's in them took me several months to film and edit and stuff. Plus I have so many other videos I've been working on, just so much stuff in the vault that is, because I'm prepared by a lot right now. It's crazy. But I just keep on grinding. I keep working on new videos. So thank you guys for watching this episode. And more importantly, thank you guys for watching the entire garden series. Subscribe down below. And I'll see you with a new video here in a few days. Peace.